Hey friends! Welcome back to Scrambled Slimes. Today we're going to be showing you how to make this icy jelly type hybrid, but we're also going to be giving you instructions on how to make an icy slime. So without further ado, let's get into this goo. So we're going to start by pouring our glue into a container, and since we're going to be adding a lot of snow, the final amount of slime is going to be way more than the amount of glue you poured in. So now we're just going to activate it, and this is the standard activating process. I used a teaspoon of borax in 1 cup of warm water, and just make sure that the borax is dissolved, and you're just going to gradually add it in and mix it until it forms a clump. So once your slime has kind of formed a clump like this, we're just going to take it out and start kneading it on the table. And as you can see, it's still really sticky, but we're just gonna add some activator and start pulling and stretching it until it's not stringy and not very sticky. So for this slime, I didn't over activate it, but if you do, it's fine because the snow will kind of melt it down. So once your slime looks like this, where it's smooth and it's no longer stringy, we can just proceed to add our snow. So for the snow, you want it to be similar to the wetness of a cloud slime. So I did about 4:1 ratio of water to snow. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, and so we're just gonna add that to our slime. So the slime I made was kind of like a jelly and icy hybrid. So it wasn't a full-blown icy slime. However, if you do want a full-blown icy slime, you should add more snow than I did. And also keep in mind that this snow will melt the slime down, so you should definitely have some activator on hand. So yeah, so you can just add as much snow as you would like. I just added it so it's kind of in the middle of a jelly and icy slime. So once you've added your desired amount of snow, here, this is just how much snow I added, so it's kind of an icy jelly hybrid, but again, if you want an icy, you can add more snow. And we're just gonna put it in a container and let it sit for a few days. You're technically done, but I just wanted to let it clear up a bit more. So yeah, I just let it sit for 2 days. So here's the final product of my icy slime. Since it is an icy jelly hybrid thing, it did inflate quite a bit, which I will show later in this video. So yeah, just enjoy the ASMR. that's it for our video. We hope you enjoyed it and make sure to comment on video suggestions. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it to become part of the Egg Squad. Bye!
This is the end of the video. 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 This is the end of the video.